step-by-step love Chinese drama starts on March 28th, Thursday on Tencent Video for 28 episodes. Zhao Jiwei as Lu Chen Yang, Lu Yang as Bu Ran, Changbin as Jin Sun, Ni Meisi as Yao Lafei or Lu Shiji, Hu Bowen as Yi Jiho, Zhang Lani as Carrie, Zhang Yinbing as Ming Hexin. It tells the story of the coal company president Lu Chen Yang, who is a cruel revenge machine full of calculations to make his opponent pay the price. He finally meets his opponent, the daughter of a desperate rich family, Bu Ran. When a hunter begins to fall in love with his prey, all the hatred in his heart runs soft.